everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use this curvy diamond layout to create a pattern for this month's theme, which is holiday cheer. My email subscribers receive these themes along with some motif ideas and color palettes at the beginning of the month. So if you need a little extra inspiration to create patterns, then join us. I'll be happy to welcome you. Also, I'll be using the template from the full pattern creation kit, but I do have a free version which you can try, and I'll leave all the links in the description below. So when I have a theme in mind, I usually first test the colors to check the contrast between them, which background I want to use, etc. And then I decide on the motifs that I want to use. Here the canvas size is 3600 pixels by 3600 pixels at 300 dpi, and this is the pattern creation canvas from the pattern creation kit. So I'll choose the template, and taking a dark color, I'll stamp it on the screen once, then tap on the move tool at the top and then on fit to canvas at the bottom so that it covers the whole canvas. Now taking a sketching brush, I'll sketch the motifs first. As you can see, I have sketched this motif using the Symmetry tool, and to toggle it on, tap on the actions menu on the top left, then on canvas, and then toggle on drawing guide here. Then you can tap on edit drawing guide and choose vertical by tapping on the options, and then tap on done at the top right. Now go into the layers and make sure that assisted is written on the layer you want to draw in, or just tap on the layer once and then tap on drawing assist to activate the symmetry option. I've also added some snowflakes here. If you want to know how to create a stamp brush, then watch this video after this, where I have shown my step-by-step process of creating one. I have used the same method to create this snowflake stamp brush. I want the snowflakes to be random, so I'll tap on the layer and tap on drawing assist to deselect it, and then I'll stamp the snowflakes while increasing and decreasing the size of the brush. Once I have sketched everything, I'll now group the layer by tapping on the first layer and selecting the others by swiping on them towards the right and then tapping on group. Here you can duplicate the group once if you want by swiping it towards the left. Now while the group is selected, I will tap on the selection tool at the top left and then tap on save and load at the bottom. Then tap on selection 1. Then I will tap on the move tool and then on flip horizontal and flip vertical at the bottom. I'll deselect it and select the selection tool again. Then tap on save and load. Now I will tap on selection 2 and then tap on the move tool and then on flip horizontal and flip vertical at the bottom. I will do these steps for selection 3 and then for selection 4. So tap on the selection tool, then tap on the selection, then on the move tool and then on flip horizontal and flip vertical. Since the canvas is upside down, I'll bring it to the right direction by tapping on flip horizontal and flip vertical once at the bottom, or you can also tap on rotate 45 degree 4 times to do it. And now I'll fill up this middle portion and sketch another motif using the Symmetry tool. So now I'll test the pattern repeat, and to do that, I'll swipe downwards on the screen with 3 fingers, then tap on copy all, swipe down again with 3 fingers and then tap on paste. I'll then duplicate this flattened image for 3 times more so that we have 4 layers. Now I'll tap on the first layer and then tap on the move tool and then on the blue dot at the top left corner, and type the size here, that is half of the canvas size, which is 1800 because the canvas size is 3600 pixels. Again, I'll tap on the next layer, then tap on the move tool again and then on the blue dot at the top right corner and type 1800 and it will snap in place. I'll tap on the next layer, tap on the move tool, and then on the blue dot at the bottom left corner and type 1800. And then tap on the last layer and tap on the move tool, and then at the blue dot on the bottom right corner and type 1800. I'll merge all the layers by pinching them with two fingers. Okay, now that it repeats properly, I'll start drawing the motifs. I'll reduce the opacity of the sketch layer and keep the blend mode on multiply. Now I'll take the tinderbox brush from the inking section to draw my motifs. I'll keep each color on a separate layer so that I can recolor it later if I want. After drawing the first set of motifs, I'll duplicate the whole group once to have a backup and then flip the canvas again like I had done before. Now to bring it to the right direction, I'll flip it horizontally and vertically once more using the move tool. I'll now continue drawing the rest of the motifs and then we'll test the repeat once more. So now I have drawn all the motifs and changed the colors a little bit. To test the repeat, I'll swipe downwards with three fingers on the screen, then tap on copy all, swipe down again and tap on paste. I'll then duplicate this flattened layer for 3 times more so that we have 4 layers. Now I'll tap on the first layer and tap on the move tool and then on the blue dot at the top left corner like we had done before and type the size 1800, that is half of the canvas size. Again I'll tap on the next layer, then tap on the move tool and then on the blue dot at the top right corner and type 1800 and it will snap in place. I will tap on the next layer, tap on the move tool and then on the blue dot at the bottom left corner and type 1800. Then tap on the last layer and then on the blue dot at the bottom right corner and type 1800. I'll merge all the layers by pinching them with two fingers. If you want, you can make the scale even smaller using the same process. And now to save it, go to the actions menu, then tap on share and here choose the file format that you want to save it in, and then you can save it as an image on your camera roll or as a file to the files folder on your iPad. I hope you enjoyed creating this festive pattern with me. Don't forget to grab the free pattern creation kit below if you would like to make more repeats like this easily. It will save you so much time. And if you would like early access to future tutorials and monthly design themes, join my email list that's linked below too. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.